Okay, let's take a look at the map now. Most of our customers will spend a good deal of time on the map. There is a map legend, vehicles displayed as these triangles are driving, and the point of the triangle will be the direction of travel. The squares are vehicles that are stopped, and the map point icon is for vehicles that are stopped inside a saved zone. You'll also see these triangles on the map to indicate if there has been an exception rule triggered. Hovering over the triangle will show you the rule details. Hovering over a map icon will give you additional information and location details associated with that vehicle, including things like the speed the vehicle is driving at. If you don't want to see the exception rules, you can simply untick the boxes. Most people do want to be able to see those as well. There are also map options and map layers available to you. There's satellite view. There's a weather overlay that will give you the temperature and basic conditions. And the traffic overlay is available to you as well. Additional options are available to you by clicking on the actual vehicle icon. We can look at the trip that vehicle has taken. We can edit the asset. We can find the address that that vehicle is currently at and just as easily remove it from the map. Since this vehicle is moving, let's just pop over and take a look at its current trip so we can see everywhere that vehicle has been. We have a great deal of detail that's available to us as we hover over the track on the map. And we can see where the vehicle is now, of course. There are some additional features available on the map. There are map options to show the routes. If you have created routes, or we have the option to clear the map as well. There are also map views that are available to you. We've created quite a few in here. To save a map view, simply scroll to the area that you want to view on the map. I'll just zoom in here on New Orleans. That's about where I want to be. And down at the bottom, Save Map View. We'll name it New Orleans, and we will save that as a map view. You can see that now that map view populates to our list, and we can come right to New Orleans whenever we need to. You can also select the vehicles to appear on the map based on whether they're driving, stopped, or not communicating. So let me put all of our vehicles on the map and then sort by status for just vehicles that are stopped. You can also create a zone directly from the map. And sometimes this is easier in satellite view. So let's say I want to create a zone around Hen Scratch Farms. I simply click the Add Zone button, outline the zone on the map. We can put that zone into a group. We can add comments if we want to. We can determine whether or not we want that zone to be visible on the map. We can also assign it to a zone type. We'll go into zones and zone types more in future videos, but for now, just wanted to show you from the map view how easy it is to create a zone on the map. It's also very easy to remove the zone. Boom, it's gone.